Hi everyone, Kristen Hadeed here, the founder of Student Made. I hope that you will join me at the ISSA show North America in Las Vegas. I will be leading a session on November 18th called Culture Eats Strategy for Breakfast. So a little bit more about me and my background. I own Student Made based in Florida. We are a cleaning company and we hire primarily students. So in my session, we'll be talking about what ingredients go into a culture where people really feel engaged, where there's a lot of trust, a lot of loyalty, where people are really inspired to achieve the results that you're hoping they'll achieve. And how do you do this with the next generation? In my company, we employ a lot of millennials, a lot of people from Generation Z. So that's what we'll be talking about. I can't wait. Monday, November 18th from 11:45 a.m. to 1 p.m. during lunch, Culture Eats Strategy for Breakfast. You can sign up at issa.com/show. See you there.